Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to paint an old lady doing a pottery. That is a 2020 Secondary 5 SPM art question. Question number 2. Let us view the question. An old lady was diligently making pottery while sitting on a wooden chair by the side of a window, and the environment was lit by a lamp. Next to it is a table. On the table are some pieces of ready-made pottery. After understanding the question, we now start to searching reference. You can search photo reference from the internet, Google or book. List down what kind of element you need. After that, we start to create the good composition for our artwork. Plan the composition. Start the creating process by sketching a drawing of the general composition of the idea, including all the elements that you want to incorporate. Once you have the main composition shape in place, start adding color to the different shapes. Start adding color. Prepare your painting tools. For me, I will use poster color, palette, water container, and paper towel. 3 things always remember when you are painting your artwork. They are form, texture, and harmony color. Form. How to make the object 3-dimensional look. It all depends from mixing the colors. Developing tone. Tonal values are the gradation of a tone from light to dark color. Blending light and shadow is an essential technique. Will help you make the shape more 3D. Texture. The texture is one of the important techniques to make the painting more realistic. Example, wooden chair, old lady, wall, lamp, and pottery. All these texture look and feel, it will make the painting lively. Harmony color. In this painting, I will use a warm color as a main color tone for the whole artwork. This kind of harmony color will create a mood in an artwork. Done. The old lady with a pottery. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.